Hey guys, today I'm opening Certain Shield, Darkness Ablaze. Let's start opening. I got an energy, electricity, a heat energy, that's a fire, Ralph Cast, how do you say this guy's name? I don't know. So, Zealous, Jigglypuff, the annoying one who sings every single night, a Dino, Dunce Bears, I think, Clink, Marnie, Shocknoctic, and an Ambrose. So we have 2 energies, 2 water, 2 dark, 1 psychic, 1 normal, 1 steel, and 1 electric. So if you like opening Pokemon packs like Darkness Ablaze, you could go get your Pokemon packs at Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and I think that's it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.